Hi, this is Pete Nelson with another video blog. This one is called Watch Out for That Iceberg. The last time I wrote about an early warning system for manufacturers, and measurements and key performance indicators, or KPI, have been on my mind lately, and there are a lot of ideas out there about KPIs for manufacturers. The sales and operation planning process, or S&OP process as it's called a lot, gets a lot of attention, and from the operations side, I've been considering how important it is to measure the adherence to a plan. The ideas of tracking standard rates versus actual rates and maintaining stability are related. Having a plan, executing it, and seeing how well it was executed are worth knowing. But I'd like to take a step back and ask two questions. Question one, how do you know that you are capable of executing a plan? Question two, how do you know that your plans are worth executing? One of the central ideas of S&OP seems to be that the sales side basically should drive the process. And hey, I'm a sales guy myself, so I definitely get it. If you want to grow revenues, you have to know your demands and try to meet them as best as possible. Providing accurate demand input to the S&OP process is critical, and it's also valuable to provide stretch targets too. This will help expose constraints in your process. It doesn't make sense to me to be complacent about any process in life, really, but at the same time, we have to be realistic and do what we're currently capable of. In manufacturing, this is where constraint-based planning and scheduling comes in. A constraint-based planning system should provide a realistic, executable plan at all times, at a minimum. If a resource or material is unavailable in the short term, why shouldn't the schedule adjust for that situation if it can't be corrected? What's the value of providing an exception message to a planner if that person then has to go to some other business system and adjust the plan manually? Optimization of resources and materials provides the next level of usefulness because with the right procedures in place, it's possible to systematically measure KPIs within a plan to see if it's worth executing. These same KPIs can be tracked and improved over a period of time as plans are archived and compared. Finally, what if scenarios can be used to evaluate other alternatives that might remove further constraints to meeting demands? So when I hear someone say performance to plan needs to be a KPI, I don't disagree, but there's more to it than that. After all, the Titanic had a plan when it left port and it stuck to it. The plan needs to be realistic and as good as possible. So going for stability in your schedule is worth pursuing to a point, although there might be more value in being able to make the right plans more frequently and quickly. I'd like to hear your thoughts on what circumstances call for a new plan and how you go about measuring your business performance when plans are changing frequently. Thanks again. This was Pete Nelson. Looking forward to hearing from you.